Okay, so this video is going to show you how to install and open the Nearpod add-on for Google Slides. In order to complete some assignments, some Nearpod assignments, and those would look like this. It's an assignment that will say Nearpod, and it'll have a website like this, app.nearpod.com. In order to complete these assignments, you're going to have the Nearpod add-on in Google Classroom. Now, if you are in Google Slides, excuse me. So in Google Slides, you look at add-ons. You need to click on add-ons. I already have it installed here, so I can open Nearpod, but if you don't have it installed yet, you need to click Get Add-ons. When you go to Get Add-ons, you'll get this menu that you can search through. There probably will be Nearpod right near the top for you to pick, but if not, just type Nearpod, spell it correctly, into the top, click it here. Mine already says install, but if you click, it will install it for you. It's very easy to do. Once you've done that, come back, go to Nearpod, click Open Nearpod. Once you've done that, you can begin Nearpod assignments, and they will work in a way where you'll actually be able to interact with the simulations and interact with the questions as you go through the Nearpod. So hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, Mr. Scolacci, or Ms. Chesia, so we can help to explain what you need to do. We can jump on a Zoom and walk you through this if you need additional help. Okay, guys, good luck.